Hello, I'm Janet with Radiant Realty, your Montana Realtor. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and stay out and don't be shy. I love reading your comments and answering any questions that you might have. So I am in Libby today for a listing appointment, so keep an eye out for that new listing. But I thought it would be fun. I have not done a walking tour of downtown Libby yet, or really many videos except for the Kootenai Falls Swinging Bridge video and the Ross Creek Cedars, which is amazing. So if you haven't already checked that out, I will link it at the end of this video. But let's go just take a walking tour of downtown and I can show you around a little bit. And while we're at it, if you do find anything in here helpful or useful, please do give a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And also, if you are looking to buy or sell a property or home here in Montana, definitely reach out. I would love to hear more about your needs. Okay, so I am starting down by the train station. The Amtrak, it seems, does come right through Libby. So we're just gonna walk down the main street here. Right here is the Cabinet Mountain Brewing Company. Looks like a great place to grab a beer, get some food. Like some outdoor seating there with a stage, maybe some live music now and then. Got this great mural on the wall here. Appears to be, maybe it used to be a souvenir shop or is going to be a souvenir shop. Hunting, camping, fishing, outdoor gear. A little bit of everything there for you. Here's the Pastime Lounge. Burgers and fries. Kitchen open 11 a.m. And it's not Montana if you don't have some sort of bear. This one looks quite fierce. Goodness. Wow. Okay, so this one says it's Cardinal Hardware. And for some reason, hello, you can't see in. So I don't actually know if that one is still in business or not. Okay, and this bear looks not quite so fierce. The mountain landscape in the background there, love that. Cigars, pipes, tobacco, gifts. Oh, okay. A little bit of sassiness there. Boutique Brielle, clothing, furniture, jewelry, consignment store. Looks like some kids' items there. And here we have barbecue, Smoking Gun Barbecue. Best spots in town, daily specials. Also some ice cream there. Okay, this is a vaping shop, it looks like. And here we have Camp Creek Coffee Roasters. Cold brew, tea, coffee. There's your hours there. And looks like hospital beds, wheelchairs, rollators, in-home oxygen. This one is another consignment boutique. Lots of options in there. Stitches, consignment, and thrift. And now we're crossing 4th Street, and the main street in Libby is called Mineral Avenue. Mackenzie's Massage, Fusion's Hair Design. Magic Cake Ink. I don't know what this is. So, an old sewing machine? Maybe it's an antique store? That would be my guess. If somebody else knows, leave it in the comments below. Oh, MJ's Fabulous Find. I don't know if they're connected. Okay, T-Mobile authorized dealer. This is Shear Brothers Hobby Store. So all your hobby needs, you've got a screen printing shop here. I like that. I love Libby. Okay, we have a Christmas tree, a homecoming dress, some Halloween costumes. I don't really know what this is, but it's got a little bit of everything there. Lincoln County Courthouse and Annex Building. Another mural here. Got the Bald Eagle Classic. And a workout gym. Although I don't know if it has air conditioning, which is a shame. Maybe it does and they just thought today was a nice day. It is pretty nice out. 76 degrees. Says right there on First Montana Bank. Okay, boxing, fitness, dancing. This whole building here is First Montana Bank. 2 stories, it looks like. 24-hour drive-up ATM, UPS drop box there. Got the mountains in the background. That's the Lincoln County Courthouse right over there. Okay, Mark's Magic Carpet. Various rugs, flooring, tile options, and that looks like maybe some wall decor, mirrors, that sort of thing. I don't know where the Fixed Coffee House is. Oh, it must be back in there. I see some. Interesting. Okay. Here we've got a pawn shop, guitars, coins, jewelry. Just a fun place to browse around, see what treasures you can find. Also, rocks and crystals. This one is for sale. If you're looking for some commercial space in downtown Libby, right on Mineral Street, that would be a great option. Another bank over here. And then here's your theater, the Dome. Last time we were here, they were playing Seven Brides for Seven Brothers. Has anybody seen that? I watched that one growing up. So if you have seen it, leave a comment below, because it is like, I don't know, typical Montanan, what you would think of way back when. Good times. Okay, we got the Ford dealership here. And then Libby Lost Vendors Market is on Wednesdays, right there it looks like. And we've got the Timberline Auto Center here. So I am going to go ahead and cross over the street and show you the other side. That light down there, you see the big eagle kind of archway leading to downtown. Okay, this is the Libby Police Department. We're heading across 6th Street right now. The Twisted Turtle. Okay, I don't know what that is. Silk screen, banners, stickers, t-shirts, signs, custom gifts. All kinds of options there. Good News Christian books and For His Glory photography. Kootenai River Realty. And we've got space for rent down here. So whether you want to buy or rent space on Mineral Street, there's currently some available. It looks like this is actually attached to that space for rent. Cute. All right, cars, classic cars. Cabinet books and music. I wonder if they have a car show downtown, or had it recently. Okay, another thrift store. Lots of thrift stores down here. Kootenai Thrift and Retail Outlet. The nice thing in Montana about thrift stores is you can pick up some sporting goods equipment pretty easily, and it's expensive when you move here to get all of that stuff. So definitely check out thrift stores for that. Kootenai Treasures, more thrifts and gifts. Cabinet Mountain Home Care, providing exceptional care at home. So it's nice that they have some right downtown services for those needing assistance. Job service for Libby, in case you are looking for a job. Another real estate office, Team Hayes, but just call me, I will help you out. But seriously, whoever you call, make sure that you trust them and they trust you, and it's a good working relationship. Okay, it looks like this one, I can't tell if that's their realtor office or if this is for sale. Interesting. Okay, big furniture store here, which is great. Because when you move in, you need furniture. Manigan's Furniture Inc. and mattress store. Which, can I say, I love the Tempur-Pedic mattresses. I can't believe we used to use springs. Is anybody else still using a spring mattress? Because I find them incredibly uncomfortable now that I've done the Tempur-Pedic. And my daughter actually got one. It came in a box from Walmart that she loved, delivered to our door. Very affordable. It was her favorite mattress of all time. We actually took it from her because it was the household favorite. And we had spent more on other mattresses. Okay, Lola's Oriental Grocery. Wow, that's nice. I feel like even in Kalispell, I mean there are, but I'm surprised Libby has that, so that's great. Okay, nutrition and weight loss programs, Curves right here. Annie's Professional Cleaning Service. And the laundromat. Copy this and that, so probably printing needs. See some RVs parked over there. So I don't know if that's RV storage or if they are selling them. Ooh, a lot of antiques in there. Old cars. Look at that purple one. Can you see that? You can probably only see me. Oh, you got the leg lamp. Except for it's 2 legs. Okay, it doesn't actually give us a name. So I don't know if that's just an automotive service or an antique store. Love the mountain views that you come to Montana for. Okay, hair products, salon, massage, perms, walk-ins, haircuts. Licensed counselor here. Okay, and we're back to where we started. There's the Cabinet Mountain Brewery right over there again. And the train station straight ahead at the end. Alright, that concludes our tour of downtown Libby. I hope you enjoyed that. Definitely hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos drop. Have an amazing week, and I will see you all next time.